Welcome to all. Today I'm going to take a subject of artificial intelligence. Unit 1 is Introduction to AI. Contents of Introduction to AI consist of following things: AI techniques, problem solving with AI models, data acquisition and learning aspects in AI problem solving, formulating problems, problem types and characteristics, problem space and search, toy problems, missionaries and cannibals problem, real world problem. What is artificial intelligence? AI is the study of how to make computers to do things like human beings. But most of the moment, people are better. AI may be defined as the branch of computer science that is concerned with the automation of intelligent behavior. AI term was first coined by John McCarthy in 1956. AI can be defined in several ways as follows. Machines which can think and have a capability to react like a human beings, systems that respond intelligently in the same way as the humans do, computational models to solve various complex decision making problems, study of intelligent agents. What is meant by intelligence agents? Intelligence is the ability to acquire, understand, and apply the knowledge to achieve the goals in the world. Intelligence can also be referred as knowledge plus ability to perceive, feel, comprehend, process, communicate, judge, and learn. Artificial intelligence is an interdisciplinary field aiming at developing techniques and tools for solving problems that people are good at. There are different aspects for intelligence: reasoning, learning, perception, problem solving, linguistic intelligence. There are several definitions for AI. Existing definitions advocate everything from replicating human intelligence to simple solving knowledge intensive tasks. Examples: artificial intelligence is the design, study, and construction of computer programs that behave intelligently, said by Chandin. Artificial intelligence is the enterprise of constructing a physical symbol system that can reliably pass the Turing test. The consolidation of all the definitions of AI from different authors have been portrayed here. Some definitions of AI, they are also categorized into four categories: systems that think like a human, systems that act like humans, systems that think rationally, systems that act rationally. So, what do you mean by systems that act like humans? When human behavior is maintained by a machine, then the systems has been referred as the systems that act like humans. The art of creating machines that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by people. The study of how to make a computers do things at which, at the moment, people are better. Systems that act like a humans. You enter a room which has a computer terminal. You have a fixed period of time to type what you want into the terminal and study the replies. At the other hand of the line is either a human being or a computer system. If it is a computer system and at the end of the period you cannot reliably determine whether it is a system or a human, then the system is deemed to be an intelligent. The Turing test approaches a human questioner cannot tell if there is a computer or a human answering his questions via teletype, that is, remote communication. The computer must behave intelligently. Intelligent behavior is to achieve human level performance in all cognitive tasks. These cognitive tasks include natural language processing for communication with the human, knowledge representation to store information efficiently and effectively, automated reasoning to retrieve and answer questions using the stored information, machine learning to adapt to new circumstances. The total Turing test includes two more issues: computer vision, which is to perceive objects, and robotics to move objects. And the second definition of artificial intelligence is systems that think like humans. Think humanly is a cognitive modeling, determining how humans think through introspections, trying to catch our own thoughts as they go by through psychological experiments. Express the theory as a computer program. Programs input output and timing behavior matches human behavior. Third definition of artificial intelligence is systems that think rationally. Systems that think rationally is a law of thought. Humans are all not always rational. Rational is defined in terms of a logic. Logic cannot express everything, that is uncertainty. Logic approaches, often not visible in terms of computation time, needs of guidelines. The study of mental facilities through the use of computational models. The study of the computations that makes it possible to perceive, reason, and act. The final definition of artificial intelligence is system that acts rationally. Rational behavior is doing the right thing. The right thing is that which is expected to maximize goal achievement given the available information. An agent is just something that perceives and acts. Does not necessarily involve thinking, but thinking should be in the service of rational action. I don't care whether a system replicates a human thought processes, makes the same decisions as human beings, uses purely logical reasoning. Examples of artificial intelligence are playing chess, driving on the highway, mowing the lawn, answering questions, recognizing speech, diagnosing diseases, translating languages, and data mining. Next topic is history of AI. These are all the overall summary of history of AI. In the year 1950, Alan Turing, who was an English mathematician and pioneered machine learning in 1950, Alan Turing publishes Computing Machinery and Intelligence, in which he proposed a test. The test can check the machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to human intelligence, called a Turing test. In the year 1956, the word artificial intelligence is first adapted by American computer scientist John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference. For the first time, AI coined as an academic field. In the year 1966, the researchers emphasized developing algorithms which can solve mathematical problems. Joseph Weizenbaum created the first chatbot in 1966, which was named as Eliza. In year 1972, the first intelligent humanoid robot was built, which was named as module1. In the year 1980, after AI winter duration, AI came back as expert system. Expert systems were programmed that emulate the decision-making ability of a human expert. In year 1997, IBM Deep Blue beats world chess champion Garry Kasparov and became the first computer to beat a world champion in chess. Year 2002, for the first time, AI entered the home in the form of a Roomba, a vacuum cleaner. In the year 2006, AI came in the business world. Till the year 2006, companies like Facebook, Twitter, and Netflix also started using this AI. These are some of the fun facts of AI. AlphaGo versus Lee Sedol, also known as the DeepMind Challenge match, was a 5-game Go match between top Go player Lee Sedol and AlphaGo, a computer Go program developed by DeepMind, played in Seoul, South Korea between 9 and 15th March 2016. AlphaGo won all but lost the fourth game. Fun facts of AI. Deep Blue was a chess playing expert system run on a unique purpose built IBM supercomputer. It was the first computer to win a game and the first to win a match against the reigning world champion under regular time controls. It first played world champion Garry Kasparov in a six-game match in 1996, where it lost four games. It was upgraded in 1997 and in a six-game rematch, it defeated Kasparov by winning two games. Deep Blue's victory is considered a milestone in the history of artificial intelligence and has been subject of several books and films. This is a AI which is being used as a desktop, a pet called as Emo. Some of the other fun facts of AI, most AI bots are female, like Alexa, Siri, a question. You will be answered by a pleasant and polite woman's voice. Alice chatbot, artificial linguistic internet computer entity. AI recognizes emotions. A robot built in the late 1990s called Kismet can recognize emotions through human body language and voice tone. AI can repair itself. A robot that rebuilt itself after noticing its performances had dropped after losing two of its six legs. The robot did not know what the problem was but fixed it by a trial and error. AI can replace the human workforce. Around 1,160,000 people are out of work in Canada alone. Although AI helps reduces business costs, it's said to some significant problems. As per the Guardian, the customer service jobs reduced 85%, and it is the highest AI threat by 2021. AI will become smarter than humans. AI can learn anything quickly, meaning its intelligence is increasing. In 2013, AI had the same intelligence as a 4-year-old. By 2029, AI will have the same intelligence level as adult humans. Humans can develop romantic relationships with AI. David Levy, a student in the field, believes that marriage between humans and robots will be made legal by 2015. At the moment, robots are not so advanced enough for this. AI has nationalities and passports. Sophia, a lifetime humanoid, has obtained a guaranteed citizenship in Saudi Arabia. It has brought controversy as it wonders questions whether or not robots should have high intelligence or not. AI can write. A robot wrote an article on an earthquake in California on the Los Angeles Times website, gathering data from a seismography. AI will recognize people by voice. As early as by the end of 2018, it was expected that robotic assistants would be able to carry out voice recognition. Miss Thank You. In an unparalleled move, a Chinese metaverse company has placed a robot on the post of its CEO. With this, Miss Thank You, an AI-powered virtual humanoid robot, has become the world's first robot to chair an executive position. A global company has recently announced that it has hired the first ever humanoid robot as its chief executive officer, according to Fox Business, Polish Trump company. Several applications of AI portrayed here. It includes credit granting, information management and retrieval, AI and expert systems embedded in products, plant layout, help desk and assistance, employee performance and evolution, shipping, marketing, warehouse optimization, in space, workstation maintenance, satellite controls, network development, nuclear management. There are several applied areas of AI. They are heuristic search, computer vision, adversarial search, puzzle logic, natural language processing, knowledge representation, planning, and learning. Some of advantages of artificial intelligence: more powerful and more useful computers, new and improved interfaces, solving new problems, better handling of information, relieves information overload, conversion of information into knowledge. The disadvantages of AI are increased costs, difficulty with software development. It becomes slow and expensive. Few experienced programmers are actually available. Few practical products that have reached the market as yet. Can't think out of box. No feeling and emotions. AI can be a social companion. Nadine the robot is a social companion. After the coronavirus epidemic, there has been an increased demand for robots for various activities like serving food in hospitals. These are all several examples where AI in movies. Thank you.